Hello guys, welcome again. In this video we will do another project by using int slider and interact function. Additionally, we will use factorial because we will do factorial calculator, and we will import factorial function from math library. From math, import factorial. And again, here we are defining a function calculate factorial, and inside we will give a number here, and result will be factorial number. So this function just gives us a number, like factorial of that number, and we will print the factorial of the number. For example, we just give 6 is result, gives us the result. And let me show you. Run here. Again, we by using interact function, first write calculate factorial, the function name here, and number integer slider, minimum 0, maximum 10, and this number is changing with 1. And here factorial of 0 is 1, 1 is 1, 2, 2, 3, 6, 5, 120, 6, 220, and when I increase the number, the result is also increasing. So if I do it like 20, I can increase it so much, and the number is also increasing. So by using this code, you can easily do a factorial calculator. Okay guys, I think you understood how to use int slider, integer slider here. We just give this numbers. For example, just after step, you can use also value like 4, or it means that it will start with 4. Okay, if you have any more question, please ask me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.